everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Fulton Bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in fultonbank.com. It will take you to the official website of Fulton Bank, and in this interface you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. Now choose your account type. Now enter the username of your account and enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on Secure Login. You will be logged into your Fulton Bank account. And if you guys haven't yet enrolled into your online banking of Fulton Bank, click here on Enroll Now. And in case if you guys have forgotten your login credentials, click here on Recover. So this is how you can log in into your Fulton Bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.